Finally got the 3/8 ratchet. I'm kind of routing everything kind of below. What's going on, guys? As you can tell, some big changes have been made. I changed my YouTube name to something more versatile in case the build changes as far as long term. I know my Instagram has been changed as well. I changed the name to Boolean for my YouTube, and as far as my Instagram goes, it'd be Boolianmedia. I'll make sure I tag everything obviously below like I do every video. If you want to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, I'd greatly appreciate it. If you want to message me about something or questions within the Focus ST group, then go ahead, be free. Today's video is going to be pretty cool. I actually already shot the footage of me installing the catch can, wearing different clothes than this install video, running late to a chiropractor appointment, so just got the install done right before and didn't have the time to shoot an intro. Doing one now, right? So just hopefully you enjoyed the video. There's gonna be lots of parts where it's kind of silent, so I'll put some music on and cue the music. First, you're gonna take off this zip ties, and then we're gonna be able to lift up on these clips just like so. It's gonna give us access for when we have to pull off the intake manifold. I'm also gonna take off this piece, or maybe not. I'm not gonna take off this piece. It's gonna be a pain in the freaking arse. There's one on the bottom here. Just gonna take that off the clip. He's gonna attempt to try to get it off the clip. Good. Unhook the sensors. There's one right here on the intake manifold. And then on my left, the sensor right here, right past one of the pulleys. Make sure we disconnect those. I'm trying to get in there. You just need a little. Alright. Next step, figure out what size these bolts are. I'm pretty sure they're 10s. We're gonna grab our 10mm and an extension. We'll just take off the 5 manifold bolts. Too bad. You seem a lot tighter than 15 foot-pounds. Let me tell you what. So that is on there. Finally got the 3/8 ratchet, so now we should be able to pull these off. Yeah, that's so much easier. Okay, got the 5th one out, so now we should theoretically be able to pull off the manifold. And yes sir. Okay, so I already got the end connected to the manifold as far as the PCB hose goes. Now I'm trying to get the one towards the block. It's a pain in the ass. Trying to reach in there. I might just end up taking the whole manifold off. That's what we're gonna do. Fucking right there, dude. I don't understand how it's still fucking on there. Holy shit. There we go. Fuck this. Honestly, a really big pain in the ass. Spent like, how long has it been?
30 minutes.
That's easy. Good riddance. Now you gotta remove this piece. We got the other fitting off right here. So what we're gonna wanna do is take our one hose and then the hose clamp, fit it over like so. Well, I guess you'd want to put the hose clamp on first. We're just going to tighten it like such. It doesn't have to be super tight. Get it to the point where it's decent enough. Got that on tight. That's done. You want to take the hose with the check valve. That's what this is, the check valve right here. You want to put that on the little green piece that's right down in there. Route this underneath. There we go. And I'm kind of routing it so you can see check valve right under there. I'm kind of routing everything kind of below, so down here and then below, then it runs up through like that. Now I'm gonna take this piece and try to connect it on right there. Bam. That ready. So when I start to bolt everything back up, can't forget drop my little injector cover thing. Okay, so I'm just putting back the 5 manifold bolts on right now. I already got the lines for the catch can running correctly on how I want it. Just gotta tighten everything up, put the wires back together, and then we'll be able to install the actual catch can. Alright guys, see you then. So got the catch can. Got to undo this 10mm bolt by this latch. It's the one that you want to do. Do that real quick. Hook up the line. So this one should be the one that goes to the J side, which is the intake manifold. This one that's going into the PCB. So to the block, that little green piece, it's going to be really stiff. Just keep working with it. It'll go in eventually. Snug in there. It's not going to vibrate loose. So when you're lining up the bracket with the catch can itself, the JLT logo, as it says in the instructions, should match up with the bracket itself. So same orientation. Screw in. Not to go super tight with these. Just enough. I would go through with Loctite. I think that's what I'm going to do here in a second. Put Loctite on the bolts. That way any vibrations don't cause it to come loose. But I think you should be fine. I mean, these hoses are pretty sturdy, so I don't think this thing's gonna really go anywhere, but you know, you never know. Quick turn, bam, that's it installed. Looking pretty good. So as you can see, it's pretty clean in the engine bay. I mean, I know if I don't know anything about cars, I'm sure a lot of people wouldn't be able to tell just because it kind of looks, you know, factory besides the whole JLT part, but looks unique, looks good. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. Looks super cool. Awesome in the engine bay. Everything's fitted. Clean, cool. Also, got my sticker on here. Looks sick. Alrighty. Anyways, thanks for watching the video today, guys. Featured my girlfriend as the camera woman in it, so I appreciate it. It was really difficult to do it by myself to film it, so I had her do it. So that's, if you're wondering who the female is on the side, shout out to her. It was honestly not too hard to install. If you have any questions, make sure you drop it below, or you know, follow my Instagram, ask me there. You're more than free and likely to do so. Definitely worth $150. I think this is how much I paid for it. Got here really quickly, actually. I think I bought the last black one on Amazon. It was worth the price. The mounting spot is perfect. It's just not in the way. It looks good. Like I said, looks OEM. So perfect fit, man. Worth the price. Just stay tuned. Should be getting my intercooler hopefully next week. So stay tuned for an install video for that. I'm super excited, and then it'll be a custom tuning and just little things from there. So make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, bell notification button, so you get notified when any future videos or content's pulling up. Enjoy the rest of y'all's day, and peace.